In this video, we will cover the basics of running Mach 3 on your FastCut CNC table. You will start by turning the control power switch on. Once the light is flashing pause, flash, flash, you can click motors on. You will hear the motors power up and the light will go green. You can then turn on the emergency stop system by clicking E-stop, with its light going green as well. Next, you will need to home the table to set up the software limits. Click Home X, Y, Z, and the table will drive to its limits. Then the Z axis will drive up for clearance. Click Load G-code to open the G-code file you would like to cut. Click OK and you should see the code load on the top left of the screen and the part load on the bottom right of the screen. Now is a good time to set the voltage for the torch height control. Type your target voltage into set volts, press enter, and click Set Voltage. Make sure your torch height control is on by checking that the torch height control on-off is lit up green. The table is now ready to go, so drive the torch to a position on the material where you would like to begin cutting. Zero the coordinates for the cut operation by clicking the Zero All button on the Mach 3 screen or by pressing the blue X button on the joystick. You are now ready to cut. Click Run in Mach 3 or the green A button on the joystick to start. You may stop the code at any point during the cut by hitting the stop button on the screen or the red B button on the joystick. If you need to pause in between cuts to clear a tip up or other obstruction, you can click the feed hold button or the yellow Y button on the joystick. When the cut is complete, the torch will return to the zero location. Once you are done using the table, you can send the table back to the home position by clicking the Go to Machine Home button. Shut down the table by clicking Motors Off, then shut off the control power switch.